Alright, 62.5. We gotta match his existing closet. 62.5. And this is the bottom of the shelf. Now you hope the floor is level. This won't be the same. I didn't bring my laser, but this guy's cool. 62. He said it took him about an hour. Let's see if I can go a little slower. What's gonna probably take me to? Because I'm a perfectionist. Oops. Oh my god, how'd you do that, dude? Alright. 63. Maybe up later. I need 47. Ooh la la. Let's see how we do. Alright. Any studs over here? Yeah. Yeah. You think there's wood there? There should be wood there, but not always. And so we go. Alright, you should pre-drill this, but I'm spending more time talking to my friend than work. Yeah, that's supposed to go in first. Alright. That's why I like to work alone, but he's good. Should be a snug fit, should be almost level too. When I'm right, I'm right. Homie. Homie. Gotta find some studs here. I mean, you really don't need this is compression, it won't fit, but when you're dealing with a stud, you gotta find the studs. Alright. And just give me one. Working close. Should be one coming somewhere here too. Oh no, alright, beautiful. He wants finishing nails. Easy for me, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's right. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. I might not be level, but my work is sometimes level. Oh my God. See why I like a drill. Watching through these metal glasses is not easy. I don't usually wear glass. I don't wear glass. It's like I'm seeing 6 people. Let me put the box of screws on. Alright, pause. Okay. Should have worked that a little better. Alright. That was your friend. Oh, yeah, getting better. It's been a while since I usually him. You can see what I'm doing, you know. Ooh, that's loud. I'm going deaf. Alright. Wow. Alright, let's get back to this. I could put even double there if you want. I got an extra piece. We can extend it all the way out.
What?
I could put another. You got another one? I could put one.
Yeah, but what do we do for the other cups?
I'll go buy more if you want. Not today, but if you want now, yeah. But not. We can also add it later. But yeah, what do you think?
Oh, we need double, but I think I bought too small. I think I bought 12 inches in there.
Okay. Well, like I say, it's easy to put on now. Approved? Did I do good?
Oh, we need another 3 inches.
Yeah, that's what she said. Only another 3 inches.
No, look and see if no, it won't be enough.
Okay, I'll double check. But this is good so far, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put you want to still? We're gonna the center, right? The pole.
No.
Oh, you want it here?
Be here. Look like I have it.
Okay. Sometime. Okay.
In the center. That's why we put that. You see, that's where,
I know. I'm just testing you. I'm testing you.
Because you can center it.
Yeah.
Because now we have something to hold.
I know. You can rock climb. All right. Good. All right. Let me finish this and then the next one.
I did it the other way. The other pole.
You're a pro.
Because by doing that, you can put the rod anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And you put it right in the middle like I got it. Same distance.
Yeah, I got you. All right. Let me finish up.